Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are doing a thrift with me. We are going to be going into the Habitat for Humanity to see if we can get some Pottery Barn inspired and restoration inspired decor. I'm looking for items for my bedroom, but I also want to see what they have in here and also to give you a little inspiration in case you've never thought of going into Habitat for Humanity or a thrift store to find restoration hardware dupes or Pottery Barn dupes. I'm telling you, this is the way to go because you can find some great deals. This particular Habitat for Humanity is located in High Point, North Carolina, which is the furniture capital of the world. We have so many furniture showrooms here. There is Universal, there is Bernhardt, there is Vanguard. You name a furniture manufacturer, designer, it is here in High Point. And this particular one is so great because they get a lot of the showroom samples. They get a lot of furniture from all these great designers, all of these great showrooms, and they sell it here for just a little bit cheaper. Before we go into this Habitat for Humanity, I do have a little story time to tell you about this particular store. You see, your girl many years ago almost became an ex-con. Yes, you see, I stole from this store. Yes, I did. But let me just give you some background. The year was 19. You know what? The year doesn't matter because then I'll be dating myself. But let's just say I was a little girl, and this was a grocery store. It was called Big Star. Don't know if you've ever heard of that store. I don't even know where the Big Star locations were at. I just know it was a grocery store, and back then, I'm really making myself sound old, but they would decorate the windows. They would have all of these decorations hanging from the ceiling, and they had these particular decorations hanging from the ceiling. They were the paper tissue kind of honeycomb flowers that were hanging everywhere. And then my little eye spied one on the floor. Yes, I did. And it was winter time. I had this long coat on, so your girl grabbed it, put it under her coat, and took it home with her. I have no idea if my mother and father ever found it. I have no idea what I did with it, but every time I go into this store, I remember the day I stole from here, from Big Star. But today we're not going to be stealing. We're just going to see what kind of deals we can steal in here. I am looking for items for my bedroom. Let's go in and see what they got. As I entered the store, I saw this beautiful bedroom suit. They were selling it as a whole set. I would rather just have like a piece from it and then kind of match it with something else instead of everything being so matchy-matchy. They were selling this for $1,100, and it was definitely giving me those Pottery Barn vibes. Hanging above all the furniture was this mirror. It was $250. The wood on it kind of looked like cherry with the gold gilding around the edges. And I stumbled across these planters. I thought they were extraordinary. The large one was $125. The smaller one was $75. I thought that was kind of a difference that I didn't understand, since I thought maybe the smaller one would be a little bit less, but nonetheless, they were very beautiful, and I would love to have that large one in my home. Next to the beautiful cement planters, I saw this beautiful green vessel. I don't know if this is Italian or French. I'm not sure if it was used for oil or what. So beautiful. I love that green glaze on it. It doesn't match my home decor, but nevertheless, I think it's so stunning. I spotted this beautiful console. It was $150. I thought this would be beautiful in your bedroom to kind of do a beautiful vignette on it, or behind a couch. But it was kind of looking like something I had seen from Pottery Barn. And pillows. They have so many pillows in this store. These were very beautiful velvet ones. And then they had some over to the side. It kind of had like a cheetah print or maybe a snow leopard print to them. Some were polyfill and some were feather fill. The prices ranged anywhere from $15 to $25. I spotted this chair. I'm looking for something like this for my office if I want something in either a linen color or a white color, but this was nonetheless still beautiful in gray. It was $150. I spotted this chair. I loved the legs on it. I didn't really care for the pattern. I think I would rather have a solid fabric, but it was kind of looking like something you would get from Pottery Barn, and it was priced at $200. And this little bedroom suit for a boy. How adorable is this? I don't know if they sell something like this at Pottery Barn, but I thought the camo was just precious. Then I stumbled across these chairs. They were giving me Studio McGee vibes. The back on it, absolutely gorgeous. And the arms on it had this beautiful, it looked almost like a marble glaze to it. I don't know what you call it, but they had 3 of those for $400. I found some more vessels. I don't know if that is Italian that's written on it. Let me know if you know, but the glaze on it I thought was beautiful, and these were priced anywhere between $75 and $200. I spotted this table lamp. It would look so good in an office. It was priced at $100 and definitely looked like it could come out of the Restoration Hardware catalog. They have so much home decor. Some comes from furniture showrooms, some comes from people just donating things to the store. I found these vessels. If they were totally black, I would have picked them up. They were priced between $30 and $40. I spotted this beautiful vessel for $40. Definitely looked like it could come out of a Pottery Barn catalog or an RH catalog. The little feet on it I thought were just adorable, and I loved all of the aged look to it. They have a great selection of pillows. What I do is I'll go down the aisle, kind of squeezing them to find feather pillows. I love the market samples they get in here because they are such high quality, and the prices range anywhere between $10 and $30 a pillow. I spotted this console as I was checking out. I love the glass in it. I love the little details of the black. And also, as I was opening the drawers, I noticed that as I closed the drawers, there were these soft close, very nice. This was priced at $300. And I spotted 2 more vessels right beside the console. These were priced between $75 and $125. And as I was leaving, I spotted this little vessel sitting all by himself, and he was priced at $100. Whew, y'all, it's hot. It's hot. Oh my goodness. And I don't have my air conditioner on because I don't want it to kind of interfere with me talking, but y'all, it's hot. I did manage to pick up 2 items for my bedroom. As you saw, they have some great items. Some of the items, you think they're a little pricey, and they may be depending on your budget, but considering these are showroom samples, these are just as high quality as the items you get that are not samples. This is such a great place to find things. Like I said, I know this is located in the furniture capital of the world. Yours may not be. Well, it probably won't be. But anyway, check out your Habitat for Humanity, but let me show you what I got. I was looking for a couple of velvet pillows. I love velvet pillows. I think that with different textures on your bed just look so fantastic. And I found 2 of these. These are feather pillows. If you ever see me in my videos squeezing the pillows like you squeeze the Charmin, I'm looking for that feather. These are brand new. They have never been used. Like I said, they are showroom samples. They had 4 of these. 2 had polyfill. These 2 had the feather fill. So beautiful. As you can see, they're not huge. I'm going to be using these on the bed. I'm doing my bedroom makeover. That's coming out in about a week. So if you're not a subscriber, remember to subscribe. Hit the bell twice so you'll be notified. It's the heat, y'all. It's the heat. You'll be notified when that video comes out. But I did purchase 2 of these. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, because the light is really bright, but these are so soft, so beautiful. I cannot wait to put these on the bed. They're a beautiful kind of coffee taupe color. I absolutely love them. $15 a piece. $15 a piece, you guys. So $30 for 2 beautiful velvet pillows that look very much like ones you would get from Pottery Barn or from Restoration Hardware. I am so excited about these, but yes, I am making over my bedroom. Like I said, it'll be out in about a week. You don't want to miss it. Make sure you are subscribed. Thank you so much for coming along with me to Habitat for Humanity. I'll see you at the next one. Bye, loves.
You're making it brighter right through the gray.